There's no one-size-fits-all solution for all our health problems. We all have our own routines and habits and lifestyles. Not to mention, we also have our own genetics. Each of us are made from chromosomes from our parents and synchronized together to make us each unique individuals. This is where CircleDNA can really help us because it's tailored to you. Hi everyone, I'm Florence and I'm head of Community and Change here at CircleDNA. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the results from my CircleDNA test. I love this test because it gives me over 500 different results across 20 different categories, from cancer and disease prevention to what my optimal diet type is. Oh, another thing is that it just shows up on this very handy app so you can access it anywhere you go. So my CircleDNA test result says that my optimal diet type is low fat and that I have higher sensitivity to alcohol and caffeine. This makes so much sense because all my friends always say that I'm really weak sauce when it comes to drinking. My optimal sport type is medium power, medium endurance, and high strength. This means that I should do sports such as CrossFit, badminton, and gymnastics. Wow, that is so interesting. Personally, I love badminton though. According to my nutrition reports, it says that I have a higher need for iodine. What is iodine? Apparently, iodine is an essential trace element that is involved in producing thyroid hormones. These are found in seaweed and oysters. I'm going to make sure to eat more oysters then. It also says that I have higher needs for omega-3, as well as vitamin B12 and B6. I actually started taking vitamin B supplements recently, and I feel a very big improvement in my health. Not only is my mood better, I also feel that my energy levels are higher, and this lets me function better in work and in play. I also found my Ancestry composition very, very interesting. As expected, I'm mostly East Asian. Ooh, I also have 7.13% Japanese and Korean. Another great thing about this test is that it can also help you understand if you carry a genetic condition that you may pass on to your unborn child and take action. I'm close to my 30s and I think I'll probably have to get married and start a family soon, so I think this information is very valuable to me. I was also shocked at how accurate this test is because it can also test on things such as physical traits, and everything that it showed about me was very accurate. For example, they said I have a likely normal amount of facial and body hair, which is true. I'm not super hairy, but I'm also not completely bare. In addition, it says that my earwax type is likely dry. This is very true because all my family members have always said that I have very clean ears. In modern society, we're also really stressed all the time, and this often affects our sleep quality. The great thing about this test is that it also tells you what kind of sleeper you are, so you can modify your lifestyle. For example, it says that I'm a very light sleeper. In this case, I really need to be more disciplined about my sleep so that I can ensure to have maximum rest to function optimally the next day. In addition, I think this is really cool because it even tells you about your stress tolerance. My test shows that I'm actually a warrior level when it comes to stress tolerance. And I would agree with this because I think growing up, I was subject to a lot of stress, be it my education or my lifestyle, and even living in Hong Kong. I think I've coped pretty well, so I think I'd like to thank my genes for part of this. According to my DNA report, I also have a very serious risk of Achilles tendon injury. This means that I have to take essential care to prevent pain and swelling should anything happen to me. I can do this by stretching before exercising and just being very careful when I do aerial sports that involve a lot of jumping and landing, such as gymnastics, dance, or basketball. According to our genetics counselor, our tendons have flexible tissues that connect our muscle to our bones. If you do feel any pain, make sure to rest enough. If you don't though, you can speed up the recovery process by doing eccentric training, since fitness is all about that growth. With these results, it becomes vital information for us when we make clinical visits because such information can be presented to doctors, which can help clarify our condition without the effort of running through several tests to identify the cause. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked my sharing. If you want to know more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our CircleDNA YouTube channel. If you also want to read more from our newsletter, CircleMagazine, you can find a link in the description below. Thank you and see you next time.